Yeah. Oh boy. Yeah. Big. Oh boy. All right. Back at a spot here in Washington, D.C. Made a video here I think a year or two ago maybe. Trying to jig up some striped bass, or rockfish as they call them here. And managed to land a bunch of big catfish on the jig, but was not successful in the striper category. I did come back out, of course, without my camera to the same spot and land a pretty nice one. It was right around the 30-inch mark. Caught him and released him. Of course, I didn't have my camera on me, but we are back for redemption this year. It's a little bit late. It's like the end of April. I think most of the big fish will be out of here by now and starting to move north in their migration, but you never know. There could be some left. I was here a couple weeks ago and hooked into what had to be a 40+ inch striped bass. It was a little bit overpowered with my 7-foot medium and 4,000 size reel. So I've come back now with my 7'6" medium heavy St. Croix Legend tournament rod and my Saragossa 6,000. So no way I'm getting overpowered this time. Also, there's a lot less current, so should be less of an issue. We'll get out to the spot, we'll rig up, and we'll see if we can jig up some striped bass or some big old cats. Stay tuned. Okay, it turns out there is someone at my spot. Excuse me? Excuse me? Do you mind if I fish next to you here? Is that okay? Right here is okay? Thanks, man. Any bites? Snakehead? Yeah, nice.
What you going for?
Rockfish?
Rockfish?
Yeah.
Have rockfish here?
Oh yeah.
Did you catch any?
Yeah.
Right here?
Right here, man. This rock.
So what do you use?
I'll show you. 30-pound braid,
Yeah, that.
jig head,
Yeah.
and then a soft plastic.
Oh, just. Any color?
They like, I mean, they're eating the shad and the perch, so I do like white. It works well, man. The catfish like it too.
Oh, yeah.
You have to like weed through the catfish to find the rockfish.
How much weight you have on there?
It's half an ounce.
Half an hour.
You just cast upstream. You like keep contact with it. You keep your line tight. You feel it hit the bottom and then pop it up. And then reel so it's tight. You feel it hit the bottom, pop it up, and it comes down here like this.
Like that.
And then they hit it as soon as it hits the bottom.
Oh, I see.
Because they're all right near the rocks at the bottom.
Chances you're gonna hit the rock a lot too, right?
Bring a lot of jig heads, because you get snagged a lot. There's a lot of shad.
I see it.
That's a good sign. Yeah. I think it's a catfish. Yeah, catfish. He ate it though.
Yeah, big one.
Blue cat.
Blue cat.
Blue catfish, yeah.
I heard they are good tasted fish.
I don't want to, they're like bottom feeders, you know? I don't trust it from this river.
I see.
From clean rivers, they're good.
Clean.
Yeah. They get a lot bigger than this though. This is a small one. Not bad.
That's probably like 10 pounds, right?
Yeah, 10, 12 pounds maybe.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Yeah, even the catfish like it. It's like for every like 10 catfish, you might get one rockfish.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I can tell like just how it fights.
How it fights?
Yeah, the catfish like roll, you know? I don't know if you saw like my line had like the slime on it.
Yeah.
So they like roll around in the line. So you can feel it when you hook it, you can feel them like rolling around. You live near here?
I live in well,
Nice.
are you in DC?
Yeah. Oh, that was a bite. Yep. Catfish. No, rockfish. Rockfish. Yep. Woohoo! Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Fat one. Woohoo! Huh? I gotta let it go, man.
Okay.
You see he's laying his eggs.
Oh.
He's pregnant.
That's why.
Yeah, I want her to lay the eggs.
Oh, okay, makes sense.
Yeah, because you know there's not like the rockfish population is not good.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
No, understandable.
Can you take a picture for me?
Yeah. Okay.
All right, thanks.
Got it.
I believe you. I trust it.
Hey, what's that? That's the egg coming out?
Poop.
Poop?
Just poop. Yeah, not the eggs. The eggs are
okay.
different color. All right. There he goes. Yeah, man.
I have to learn how to do that.
Yeah, man. It works.
I know May 16 they let you keep one.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Thanks for the picture, man. Only a certain amount of the striped bass make it up here to lay the eggs. A lot of them don't. So the ones that make it up here, I want to make sure that they get to lay their eggs, you know? Oh, that was awesome. Not a bad one either.
That's a nice one.
Yeah. Very heavy though for its length. Beautiful day. Thanks for letting me fish next to you. Yeah. Oh, it's a catfish. Feel it rolling. Bigger one though.
Holy cow, that's a big one.
Yeah. Bigger. Come here.
Wow.
Much bigger one.
You have regular your run.
Look how fat it is. Oh, I barely hooked it. Come on, buddy. Yeah. I wouldn't mind if it just popped off. It's a fat one. Pregnant. Holy crap.
Wow. Massive.
Okay.
Man.
See ya. Jeez. Fat one. Oh man.
Oh,
He rubbed against a lot of rocks.
twisted.
I gotta retie that. Yep. Oh.
Oh,
Had him.
no.
Had him. Ah. Wonder what it was. Yeah. 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 Yep. Oh boy. Yeah. Big. I don't know. Oh boy. Yeah, cat. Got him in the side. No. Catfish, I hooked him in the side. That's why he's fighting so hard. It's not even that big. Ew.
Oh, look at that.
Blech. Yeah. No. Shit. Hooked one. Can you tell? Yeah. Ew. There we go. Yep. Always. Don't go to the rocks. Don't go to the rocks. Always on the rocks. Get off. Ah, cat. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Fat one. Another fat one. There we go. Popped it. See you, bud. See you, buddy. Hey, it's nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you. All right. Well, people kind of just came up and sat right behind me. I have a feeling this is like a community hole, so it might be more common for them than it is for me. Still a nice little afternoon. I was out there for about 2 hours. Caught, I don't know, 6 or 7 catties and a nice striped bass. That was the goal, so can't complain with that. I gotta bushwhack my way out of here, and make the drive home, but thanks for watching.